Hi everyone and welcome back to the Glam Live, and in today's video I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. Short haul, but I want to get right into it, so let's get started. So first thing I picked up were these Breezy fabric softener sheets. You get 55 sheets now in these. I like these. They do the job. I got some more flushable wipes. I got some vanilla cream pure vegetable soap. This is a Balero soap. I picked up this bonnet, satin bonnet, I think. Satin. Let's see. It says a larger size, so let's also see if that's accurate. It looks average size to me. So there's that. I picked up some dried cranberries. This is a really big size, 6 ounces. Great deal. Also, I found some extracts. This one's Imitation Almond. This one, however, is pure vanilla extract. So I thought that was a great find. I got some more of these fragrance boosters. Love these. I found the Aladdin Tumbler, so I actually picked up 2 of these. Have not used them quite yet, but I'm looking forward to doing so. I picked up 2 different soaps, a Palmolive and a Dawn. And lastly, I picked up some of this home store bath. Last couple items I have here. This Wet n Wild angled liner brush. I've already used it though, so that's why it's not in the packaging. And then I found this e.l.f. Lip Lacquer in Burgundy. And I do want to try this out. Perfect for fall. Let's just see how this applies. Typical doe foot applicator. Ooh, it's kind of sticky. It smells a little weird. It's a little on the sheer side. It's okay. So there's that. Again, this is in Burgundy. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you like what you saw. Also give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.